Good afternoon, ma'am. The Office of the Ombudsman has ordered Vice President Sara Duterte and other officials to respond to the plunder, technical malversation, bribery, and corruption cases recommended by the House of Representatives over her alleged misuse of confidential funds. Nag-file po ba ng reklamo ang House of Representatives? Kailan po ito? At ano po ang implikasyon nitong kaso sa Ombudsman sa impeachment case ni Vice President?
Unang-una, we have not received a copy of the said order to file a counter affidavit. Ako personally, I've learned about it through the reports, and I've seen it on social media. What I can confirm to you is that um, the plenary adopted the report of the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability on June 10. And then the committee report was furnished to the ombudsman they received it on June 16. Nita. So it appears that the ombudsman uh, acted upon the recommendation of the committee. What I know is that the House or the committee itself did not file any complaint, but it appears that the ombudsman acted upon the recommendation of the committee.
Pag ganun po ba ang complainant, House of Representatives and Good Government?
Dun sa dun sa ano kasi sa heading ng nakita ko nakalagay yung committee eh. I still have to read about it and review my limited knowledge of the legal processes, no. Pero I will get back to you on that. On your question on kung ano ang implikasyon nito sa impeachment, hindi ko pa rin yan masasagot. We have to talk with the um, yung legal and also the panel of prosecutors. But just the same, dapat magtuloy-tuloy pa rin ang impeachment trial.
Pero hindi naman po ito mai-consider na forum shopping, kumbaga.
Unang-una, hindi ang House ang nag-file ng complaint. So, ang initiate lang ng House ay yung impeachment trial through the transmission of the articles of impeachment. The committee report, the action of the ombudsman was upon the recommendation of a committee report from the House of Representatives. So, um, we are looking forward pa rin for the impeachment trial to proceed.
Ma'am, meron din pong statement si Representative Erwin Tulfo regarding the possibility of refiling the impeachment complaint in the 20th Congress. Parang meron daw po siyang narinig na ganong usap-usapan. Can you confirm po if merong ganun pong plano?
Saan kaya niya narinig? Kasi ako nandito din ako, wala akong naririnig. The House transmitted the articles of impeachment already. We are awaiting for the Senate to act on its duty to proceed with the impeachment trial. That is what we are focusing on.
And sa position po ba ng House, kailangan pa ng refiling? Bakit po or bakit hindi?
Ngayon, ang tinututukan ng House through the prosecution panel is the preparation of the impeachment trial on the articles of impeachment that was already transmitted by the House of Representatives.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Bibian. Next up is Mela Lismoras from PTV4.
Hi ma'am, follow up lang po kay Ate Vivian kanina. Sabi nyo hindi ang House ang complainant. So sino po dapat yung complainant, ma'am?
Well, the ombudsman can initiate investigations on their own. So again, it was an initiative of the ombudsman acting upon the recommendation of the House committee. So yun ang kaya kong sagutin sa ngayon.